The Indian Army and Assam Rifles recently conducted a joint training exercise, marking another significant step towards bolstering coordination and interoperability between the two forces. This training, held in the challenging terrain of Arunachal Pradesh, aimed to foster seamless cooperation and joint response during broader border management and counter-insurgency operations. The training was conducted for a period of a week, wherein the personnel from both the forces familiarized themselves with each other's operational roles, weapons, equipment inventories, and exchanged best practices. This joint training exercise demonstrated the commitment of both the forces to work together in tackling security challenges and maintaining peace in the region.